Hello students, welcome back to Math Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about division. We will learn a easy trick about division of numbers. First example is 48 is divided by 6 is equal to 8. 6 times 8 is 48. What about 480 over 6? This is equal to 48 over 6 times 10. 48 over 6, we know it's equal to 8 times 10 is equal to 80. Right? So next example, 4800 is divided by 6. 4800 means 48 times 100. This is divided by 6. 48 over 6 is equal to 8. 8 times 100. 8 times 100 means 8 and 2 zeros, because there are 2 zeros for 100. Then 8 times 100 means 800. 6 over 7 is equal to 8. 560 over 70. 560 means 56 times 10. 70 means 7 times 10. 10 get cancelled. Then 56 over 7 means 8. What about 5600 over 70? This is equal to 56 times 100. 2 zeros, then multiplying by 100. Then 70 means 7 times 10. There is only one zero, then 7 times 10. 0 get cancelled. 56 is divided by 7, we know that's 8. 8 times 10 is equal to 80. Then we will simplify 56,000 over 70. 56,000 means 56 times 1000 over 7 times 10. 0 get cancelled. In 56 over 7 means 8. This is equal to 8. 8 times 100, 800. Hope you could understand the lesson. Thanks for watching.